What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Geek. So the question is that how to learn without any how to learn programming without any computer knowledge. This is a quite good question. How you can learn the programming without any computer knowledge? Isn't that hard? No, that is not hard. You need to start with some basic programming. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, something like that. Just start with some basic programming. HTML, CSS is a web development. It's technical, not a programming language. HTML or HTML5 is just a markup language. CSS3, where you will get started with some basic concept of programming, especially in CSS3. And then learn JavaScript. I have said many times, learn JavaScript, learn JavaScript. Learn JavaScript. No one listen to me. Let me take this book out. Yeah. Can you see this book? Buy this book. JavaScript head first. This is an amazing book. Again, I'm telling you to learn JavaScript, but you are not going to, listen to me, or yeah, I know that. JavaScript is the king. At the end of the day, JavaScript is the king. So after that, you can easily, learn programming. So the question is like that: if a person totally new to computer, even you don't know how to use a mouse or keyboard, then it's simple. Go and learn how to use a keyboard and mouse. Other than that, I don't see any problem. Literally, I don't see any problem. I literally don't see any problem. You need to start slowly once you are there, and then just move on. If any more questions such as like it was me, Gmail, make sure to subscribe, and bye.